It's a fine day and you decided to generate image just for fun. Or for work-related stuffs. And then this happens.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Don't worry. I have got a perfect solution for you. Type Leonardo I. Click this one. Now just click Get Early Access and enter your email for the form. Or you can directly get the form from the description below. So as you fill the form, there is no need to worry about Discord and stuff. Just fill the fields with random letters. However, you have to add your correct email. Just add random letters in other fields and click Submit. Now go back to Leonardo website and click Launch App. After that, click Yes, I'm whitelisted. Now it's beginning to launch the app. Now click Login and use the email which you used for whitelisting. Enter the email. And there you go, the app is launched. To generate image, click AI Image Generation. This app is so good. It can generate 150 pictures a day for free of cost. However, if you want to generate more than 150 pictures in a day, you have to check your plans. But why do you want to generate more than 150 pictures a day? Now let's test it. It's always a unique picture all the time. There. To download it, click the download button. And right-click and click Save As. Hey there. This is how legit. I make legit tutorials. If you find any of my videos not legit or outdated, please report the video to me and I will respond as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe as it motivates me. Thank you. Have a great day.